Hello, Gel Press fans. Lynn Forsyth here. Wanted to share this really quick and easy bag tag that I've created from some gel press prints. Then they were die cut using the tattered poinsettia die and added onto a tag with some vintage lace and trims and such. And wouldn't that just be a beautiful bag to put a gift in? Here's another one in the reds. So I'm just going to show you how I quickly made these. All right, over on the side over here, I have some vintage papers right here that we're going to be using. I also have some perfect paints, and I loved the yellow-orange poinsettia, so that's the one I'm going to do right now. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this yellow using my 3x5 gel press plate as my paint palette, and the yellow is Rain Slicker. Then I'm going to take a little bit of the cantaloupe here, and I'm going to just gently kind of knead them together, mix them together, scoop it up, and I'm going to put it over here onto this 5x7 gel press. Take my brayer and trying to not roll it too many times because I really want the variegated color. All right, take that. I have this CARABELLE Studio, and it's called Stained Glass. These are their rubber textures made in conjunction with gel press. And I'm just going to take this and place this right over top here. All right, gently pressing this down. Over here, I'm going to take this, and now, because you have all this color, don't waste it. We're going to put it over here onto this piece of paper. Now I'm going to take a second one and do a pull here. Okay, and then also I can do one more because there is some color still left. All right, and there you have that. So there you get 3 of these of this color. You have this one here. Perfect. And one thing I really love about the CARABELLE rubber textures is they clean up really, really nicely. This one has been kind of sitting here, almost dry. And look at that. I am so loving these rubber textures. All right, so now let's move on to green. Spread that on there. Get my brayer. All right, I'm going to use a different, I think I'm going to use this collage letters and numbers. So I can get that to stamp twice. Once again, with my sheet of paper over here on the side as a stamp off. Perfect. And I'm going to do that again. All right, so there we have that. And here's another piece of vintage paper. Okay, so I am going to take 4 of the papers. I've got 2 that were green and then 2 that are made color. Now that I have my pieces all die cut, and I stacked all of those pieces and cut them all at one time, in case you were wondering. All right, then I took a jelly roll number 10, and all I did was just do an outline. And you have to make sure that your paint is dry, or they don't like to work together. It's the second layer. And I did this just to give it a little bit more definition in the layers. Okay, there's your second one. Here's the green one. So I have a little pop dot here. Put that on the back layer. All right, give these a little bit of a bend if you want, by just gently running your finger on the back side. And then we have that one. Once again, repeating the bend. Little dab will do you right on the back of this of some multi-medium. All right. You can pop dot that layer if you want to. I just chose not to. It's just personal preference. Then I'm going to put a nice little glob of multi-medium in the center of the poinsettia. And then I have some frills. Do a little yellow. Actually, what is the color of this? Go mango. They always have funny names for these. All right, I'm just putting that right into the center. All right, then I'm going to take a little bit of the lemon chiffon. All right, take my needle and push everybody into the multi-medium. So we're going to make sure they stick. We'll go create the tag. All right, using a fan brush, just going to cover my tag. There we go. I'm going to tear away from the tag. You may be the type of person that needs to cut this off. I like the raggedy edges. It's kind of one of my signature things. All right, so there we have that. We have our beautiful poinsettia. Ah! Oh my gosh. Little blop in the center. Okay, we need a stamped Merry Christmas and some string, and there will be our bag tag. And there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed my quick and easy tattered poinsettia bag tags. The descriptions and links for all the products used will be down in the description. And I just wanted to wish everybody a wonderful holiday season. Till we meet again next year, stay creative. Bye.